All right. So what happened? What happened?
Jay, you better stop.
What happened?
Oh my God.
What happened?
Jay.
She had boy drama, but she's not explaining why.
Didn't.
Explain it. I'm gonna put you on the spotlight.
Stop! You're already putting me on the spotlight.
Why you show me love like that? Show me love.
I'm back in EG. Listen, no do re mi. Brother man. He thinks he's cool because he's a biker dude now. I haven't been vlogging a lot lately because I've been, dealing with a lot of car stuff. Because I might sell her. That's a real crazy day. Sky 8. It's currently 2 in the morning, and deep in thought, and I need to be more fluent with the content. So I was watching like a bunch of videos, so I got a bunch of new ideas. So I'll be presenting. Okay, I can't take myself seriously. I'm just trying to step it up a notch and just see what I can do. So we'll see. It's going to come. It's going to evolve. So I've sold Whitney. This is my last day with her. So this is a tribute to you, Whitney. Yeah, puppy. Sit down. Okay, lay down. Nope. Lay down. Yeah, see there. Yeah, nope. Lay down. Sit, Germany. Stay. Lay. Ah, you do not behave. Hey, cause you play. Come on. Go hop in that pool. Come on. Jump in. Chilling here. Me and Germany here. I've got a dog. Yes, this is the unknown hidden secret. Ooh, I could push her in the pool right now, but I'm not gonna be that messed up. Let's see this.
Get over it. And I know you're sad and tired. You got nothing left to give. You'll find another life to live. I know that you'll get over it. See, outside of my refuge, wrapped up your wrist. Diamonds on your neck, ice all on my wrist. Compliment my style.